Bedtime, little ones. It's been such a happy day playing. The setting sun glows golden red. The little ones run home for supper, for soon it will be time for bed. Mommy Mouse smiles at her children. Time for bed when you finish your teas. We are not at all tired, the mice chorus, but someone's asleep in her cheese. It's bath time. 5 little rabbits are splashing, having fun in their big bubbly tub. We love to splish splash, they tell Mommy, as she gives each small bunny a scrub. Mommy Rabbit is drying her bunnies and counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then she giggles. Wait, somebody's missing. There should be just one bunny more. The little ones snuggle around Grandpa as she reads to them tales from his book. And another, cries one little badger. There's a great story here, Grandpa. Look! Mommy Squirrel says, Bedtime, my babies. Hear the sleepy train calling choo-choo. But one little squirrel is not sleepy. She still wants to play peekaboo. The little bear gazes at the night sky as silver bright stars starts to peep. 1, 2, 3. Someone's snoring. Star counting has sent him to sleep. Little Rabbit is searching all over. Oh no, he cries. Where's little Ted? I must find my cuddly bear, Mommy. I can't sleep without him in bed. All the animals have their own teddies to cuddle and snuggle up tight. With each of their soft toys beside them, they're sure to sleep soundly all night. As Mommy Mouse tucks up each baby, she whispers, Good night, sleepyhead. Then Little Mouse copies her mommy, and she tucks up her own toy in bed. The hedgehogs are drifting to sleep now, as Daddy sings sweet lullabies. But one little hedgehog is singing along. Tra-la-la, I love Daddy, he cries. All the little ones snuggle in bed now. They will doze off to Sleepyland soon. Through the windows their night lights are glowing, soft and shimmery, just like the moon. Good night, little badgers and squirrels. Sleep tight, little bears and mice too. Sweet dream, little hedgehogs and rabbits. And night-night and sweet dreams to you.